In today's video, I'm working on a wood heart. I have some acrylic paints and I'm just adding a base coat of some beige. I'm going to let this dry before I start painting my flowers. I'm just starting by putting down some rough shapes, and I'm going to just layer some other colors on top. These are all acrylic paints, and I'm just adding more color while it's still wet to just get some blending in there. But I just want to do the rough shape so that I have an idea of where I want to add each flower, and then I'm going to add some leaves after. You could pick out any colors that you want for this. I have some pinks and some peaches, and that was just the style and color palette that I wanted to use for this one. With my flowers, I'm just using some more paint and going in a circle pattern to create some petals for this. You could make them as small or as large as you want. And then I'm going to continue adding a little bit more color and variation on these just to get a little bit more depth with the style of each flower. Once I had all of my petals down, I just had some shades of green mixed up, and I'm just creating different leaves with each flower petal. And again, you could add as few or as many as you want to really fill in the canvas. I had fun just drawing some of these to the point where they were going off the edge, so that I just had a nice, really full finished piece. Since I had quite a bit of open space left on my surface, I ended up just painting a little bit more flowers and just little details on there. My brush was a little large for this. You could always get a much finer tipped brush so that you could add some really small details. I was working on this while each layer was still wet, but you could always wait for it to dry to add some other fine details to your finished piece. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if you have any other questions on what tools I am using. I will see you guys in the next one.